on, try to run away with it. You gotta run away. You gotta try to take it away. Take it away.
Oh no, Highlander wants in on it too.
Come on, come on. Oh,
no! Now you don't oblige, silly kitty.
Of course not.
Silly kitty. This is also very entertaining, to be fair. Come on, really grab it. Ooh, sorry. Highlander is like, what the hell is that?
Come on, come on. Ah, ah. Oh.
Fail, Tux, fail. This is also hilarious. I regret nothing. Why must everything I want to chase move in circles? Highlander's just like, you poor fool. Now it's personal, feather creature. Oh, let him go.
He's like, no, it's mine.
Did not work at all.